What is up, Internet? Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the stuff that makes you go, wait, for real? Today, we're blasting off to tackle one of the biggest cosmic mysteries out there. The dark side of the moon. Spooky, right? Like something straight out of a Pink Floyd album cover. But hold up, let's get one thing straight right off the bat. The whole dark side thing? It's kind of a glow-down because it's not actually dark. The proper term is the far side of the moon. You see, the moon is tidally locked with Earth, which is a fancy way of saying it spins on its axis at the same rate it orbits our planet. This means we're always seeing the same face, like that one friend who has mastered their selfie angle. Both sides of the moon get plenty of sunlight, it's just that one side is permanently facing away from us. So it's not dark, it's just shy. For centuries, this far side was a total enigma. We literally had no idea what was back there. Was it a secret alien base? A cosmic parking lot? The set for the next Transformers movie? Megatron did have a little hideout there, remember? The suspense was real. Then in 1959, the vibe shifted. The Soviet Union's Luna 3 probe swung around the back and snapped the first grainy black and white photos. And let me tell you, the reveal was wild. The far side looked different. Way different. The side we see, the near side, is covered in these large dark plains called Maria, which are ancient volcanic basins. But the far side? It's basically a non-stop crater fest. It's way more rugged, mountainous, and absolutely pummeled with impact craters of all sizes. Dr. Paul Spudis, a planetary scientist who dedicated his life to lunar exploration, described it as being almost a completely different world. It's like the moon has a split personality. The near side is smooth jazz, the far side is heavy metal. So why the two-faced look? The leading theory is pretty epic. It's called the giant impact hypothesis. Billions of years ago, when the Earth and moon were young and hot messes, the moon was much closer to us. The Earth was still a molten ball of lava, radiating insane amounts of heat. This cosmic heat lamp basically cooked the near side of the moon, keeping its crust thinner. The far side, shielded from this intense heat, cooled down faster and developed a much thicker crust. Think of it like a pizza. One side got left in the oven a bit too long and got a thin, crispy base, while the other side stayed thick and doughy. This thicker crust on the far side made it tougher, so when asteroids and comets came crashing in, and they did a lot, they left massive craters, but they couldn't easily punch through to release the magma that would have filled them up to create smooth Maria like on the near side. The near side's thinner crust was like, oh, a meteor! Cool, cool, let me just spill some lava everywhere. The far side was more like, is that all you've got? It just took the hits and kept the scars. This brings us to one of the biggest features on the far side, the South Pole Aitken Basin. This thing is an absolute unit. It's one of the largest and oldest known impact craters in the entire solar system. We're talking 2,500 kilometers in diameter and over 12 kilometers deep. That's like stretching from New York City to Denver. It's so massive that it actually punched through the moon's crust and exposed material from the lunar mantle, the layer beneath the crust. For scientists, this basin is a treasure trove. It's a direct window into the moon's deep interior. It's like getting a geological cheat code. And this is where things get really interesting. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission made history by becoming the first spacecraft to ever soft land on the far side of the moon, right inside this massive basin. It deployed a rover named Yutu-2, or Jade Rabbit 2, to explore the area. And what did Yutu-2 find? It confirmed that the basin's floor is indeed rich in minerals that are usually found much deeper inside a planetary body, like olivine and pyroxene. It's giving us first-hand proof of what the moon's mantle is made of, helping us piece together the moon's entire origin story. This isn't just some sci-fi plot. This is real-life cosmic archaeology happening right now. But wait, there's more. The far side of the moon is also considered the most radio-quiet place in the inner solar system. Here on Earth, We're constantly bombarded with radio waves from our phones, Wi-Fi, TV broadcasts, you name it. It's a cacophony of signals. This makes it really hard for radio astronomers to listen for faint signals from the distant universe. But the moon itself acts as a giant natural shield, blocking all of that terrestrial noise from reaching the far side. Professor Jack Burns from the University of Colorado Boulder has been a huge advocate for building a radio telescope array on the far side. He argues it would be the ultimate quiet sanctuary to listen to the whispers of the early universe. We could potentially detect signals from the cosmic dark ages, the period right after the Big Bang before the first stars ignited. It would be like having a front row seat to the birth of light in the universe. We're talking about unlocking the secrets of creation itself, no cap. So, are there any hidden alien bases or crashed UFOs? Well, as much as we'd love a real-life Independence Day scenario, there's zero scientific evidence for that. The secrets of the far side aren't about little green men. They're about geology, cosmology, and the fundamental history of our solar system. The far side isn't hiding extraterrestrial life. It's hiding the answers to where we all came from. Think about it. The moon is a pristine record of the last 4.5 billion years. On Earth, plate tectonics, erosion, and life have erased most of our planet's ancient history. But the moon, with no atmosphere and no liquid water, has just been collecting evidence. Every crater tells a story of a violent past that our own planet shared but has since forgotten. By studying the far side, we're not just studying the moon. We're studying a preserved chapter of our own history. From being a complete mystery to a key scientific target, the far side of the moon has had the ultimate glow-up. It's gone from a blank spot on the map to the next frontier in our quest for knowledge. Future missions are already being planned to return to the South Pole Aitken basin to collect samples and bring them back to Earth. Who knows what discoveries those rocks will hold? So the next time you look up at the moon, remember that there's a whole other side to the story. A rugged, cratered, and scientifically priceless world that holds the keys to understanding the birth of stars, the formation of planets, and the violent history of our own cosmic neighborhood. The dark side isn't dark at all. It's where the science is brightest. That's all the time we have for today. What do you think is the coolest thing about the far side? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for hanging out and getting nerdy with me. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Catch you in the next one.